This is what I refer to as Pincho mud trail. Quite beautiful. Lots of it. This is why I maneuver around every time I'm up here. Jumping root to root, stick to stick. And a little bit of a splash of mud. Yeah, beautiful. Gotta love it. I'm pretty sure that those are bare feet. Not as in bear, but as in people bare feet. Wonder if someone lost their shoe. Or if they're like, screw that, let's take my shoes off and walk through this crap. Should make sense. Oh, cobweb. Little birds running through the trees, they're everywhere. Ah, it's starting to rain. That it is, it's starting to sprinkle.